I honestly don't think that is going to roll over again. Like it would just, that would be unprecedented, I think. I think the chances of a recovery from here are much higher, but of course we're going to have to play it by ear. But for the time being, assuming that this weekly candle stays roughly where it is, then Algorand, in my opinion, has a good chance of bouncing back, just like ADA and Link. And it's worth pointing out as well, guys, that it's really interesting when you look at these charts and you see like these declines that you can see, like the first wave of decline is like very big, and the second wave of decline is like slightly smaller, and then the third one is like even smaller, right? You can almost see like in these charts, even without knowing any of these indicators or whatever, you can see that there's almost like this like seller exhaustion. It's not as evident in like, let's say, a chart like Link, but in a chart like Algorand, you can see that like there does seem to be like, less and less selling on the way down. It's like all the people who wanted to sell have already sold, and the only people left are basically true believers, you could say. And the result of that is, of course, is like, there are no buyers, which is why it's not pumping, but there also aren't many sellers left, which is why it's unlikely to dump anymore. It's like the more selling that there is, like the more people get out, then the less sellers there are left to continue selling, if that makes any sense. And this is something that a lot of people forget. It's just like a very basic structural thing of the crypto market. And again, yet another reason, in my opinion, to be bullish on Algorand here in the coming weeks. But of course, we'll have to play things by ear.